Hi, it's Rob from desireUser.blogspot.com with a quick look at a good reader, a RSS reader application I downloaded a short while ago that I've been playing around with. Now, normally I use Google Reader, the mobile version, and I have a shortcut on my desktop, my start screens, so that basically I can get in there and just read stuff. And I think the mobile version of Google Reader is excellent and works really well. But the things that are a little bit annoying about it is that every now and then it logs itself off, so you've got to put your password in, and also it doesn't store anything locally. So if you're in an area where you've got no phone connection or no data connection, you can't use it. Whereas a good reader available from the Android marketplace for free does. So when you load it up for the first time, what you get is you put in your Google account and your password, and then it syncs all your feeds, and it looks very similar to Google Reader, a little bit more polished. But as I say, it does sync the feeds and then holds that data on locally, so you can read it if you were offline. So if I tap there we go, we're into Rob's Photo Magazine, which is like a collection of feeds that I use, that I read through. So what have we got? So if we click on something like, I don't know, Photo Focus, so as you can see, it's kind of opened up that. I'll get a little bit closer, but sometimes the camera doesn't focus very well. As you can see, you can go through, and then you've got various links that you can press on as well, and it will open up different bits. So what can I really say about a good reader? It does what it's meant to do. It's nice and fast. It doesn't have the annoying aspect of Google Reader, which can log you out and force you to put your password in. And if, like me, you've got a complicated password, that isn't always a great thing to do. It stores data locally, and it works fairly quickly. I mean, there we go. It displays photographs very nice, and it actually does have a little inbuilt web browser as well. So when you click on links, what you can do, you can go through and look at the stuff online. So at the top here we've got like a bar where we can move it. So as you can see, because I clicked on that link, we've now gone to the mobile version of Flickr, but we're still inside the reader, so there's a little browser inside it. We could also go full screen if we wanted, and it all seems to work very well. I mean, it all depends whether, normally in Google Reader you press a link and it opens up your browser, but the beauty with this is that it's doing everything within the reader itself. Well, anyway, this is a free app, so what I would say is download it, have a play for a few weeks, and see what you think. I mean, we have got little adverts on the bottom that support it, and I think it is a nice alternative to Google Reader. I don't think you can beat Google Reader for sheer speed and simplicity, but you do have this thing, where you've got to wait for it to load, and if you're offline you can't actually read your feed. But there we go. So I would say go to the Android marketplace, have a look for a good reader, download it, install it, and have a go at looking at your reads on that for a few weeks. My name's Rob from desireUsers.blogspot.com. Thanks for watching.